Hey everyone, SciLife here, and today I'll be clarifying what science denial is. This video will be similar to my last one, quick, short, and to the point. I'm going to be using it as a precursor to future videos, which is why I'm doing another short sit down like this, so I can explain this subject before I do other videos. Well, you might ask yourself the question, what is science denial? To be quite frank, it is literally just denying scientific evidence or facts. In human behavior, denialism is exhibited by individuals who choose to deny reality in order to not deal with an uncomfortable truth. Author Paul O'Shea remarks, "It is the refusal to accept an empirically verifiable reality. It is an essentially irrational action that withholds validation of a historical experience or event." Basically, what that means is that people tend to shy away from scientific reality so they don't have to deal with the uncomfortable reality it would reveal. Now, to clear something up, science denial doesn't just come from nowhere. There is substantial evidence to prove that people who deny science do so out of fear of being judged by other people in their group for having a different opinion. There is also a large amount of evidence to support corporate paid science denial. This means that larger corporations or groups that have a vested interest in a subject or a product will fund or bribe scientists to speak out or against the product that they want in order to keep making money. If you look through history, you can see this again and again. One of the most famous events of science denial is the Catholic Church speaking out against Galileo's theory of heliocentrism. And heliocentrism is a theory that Earth and all the other planets orbit around the sun, where in that day they figured everything orbited around Earth. There was science denial when there was substantial proof of the dangers of lead, asbestos, and cigarettes, and yet large corporations who had vested interests in these products paid scientists to speak out for them. The latest news top and evidence of denial is the paid denial of global warming. There is also a very large amount of evidence to show that coal companies, oil companies, and specific groups such as the Koch Brothers pay off politicians and scientists to speak out against global warming. Now, this video is a very quick synopsis of what science denial is, and it's kind of to help people start thinking about the subject of science denial and how everything they thought they believe or what they do believe might be paid off for them to think that way. In other words, they might be believing the wrong thing because large corporations pay politicians or news media to broadcast it that way. When you have a moment where you are unsure of something, or even when you think you are sure of something, you should still learn to research that and get arguments from both sides and get solid proof of either side or both sides, and then make your opinion off of that. The big thing here is we need to educate people to think for themselves. So that's it for today. So if you like this video, hit that like button down below and share it with your friends so you can teach them what science denial is about. If you want more videos like this, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos. If you have any comments or queries or questions, leave them down below and I will literally get to you as soon as I can, and I answer almost every comment I get. So that's it. Take care, everyone. Hey everyone, this is SciLife, and today I'm going to be kind of sitting down and just talking about my thoughts about an issue. I'm not going to be editing this extraneously. I'm not going to be putting all these images and facts in there. I'm just going to be talking to you about how I feel about a certain subject. And today that subject is going to be climate change.